My name is Charendoff. I'm a trained architect, a graduate of UBC, and I've spent many years in the construction industry managing large and small projects. Calls Renovation Advisors is designed to meet the needs of homeowners who may be struggling with renovation or construction issues, specifically zoning reviews or budget development or space planning, in such a way that we can help them bring their project to the point where it can be competitively tendered by reliable contractors. Sometimes homeowners aren't sure when to proceed or how to proceed, and their first thought is, I need to call a contractor. And sometimes this happens even before they have a design or even before they have a budget. And what Calls Renovation Advisors can do is work closely with an owner or a client to help them crystallize their thoughts, help them develop a plan, a space plan, a design, help them to develop a feasibility on their budget, help them to move the project through a zoning requirement, a lot of the pre-construction activities prior to finding a contractor. Once we've gone through the various phases in the pre-construction side, we can bring the project to a competitive tender such that 3 or 4 or more reliable, trustworthy contractors are able to look at a set of drawings, look at a scope of work document, and essentially provide competitive pricing to the client based on the same set of documentation. This way the client is ensured that all contractors are providing a competitive price on the same scope. In the old days, a homeowner really only had 2 choices. One choice was to call in a professional such as an architect, and the other choice was to contact a contractor and hope that they could explain in some detail to the contractor what it is they were trying to do. Several years ago, I noticed that homeowners could really benefit from a third choice, and that is contacting someone who's neither a contractor or an architect or selling architectural services, and with the idea that we could work together and develop the space planning requirements, the scope of work requirements, develop the budget, and really bring the project to a point where it actually could be tendered competitively by a number of contractors. So there's a lot of issues that arise in these situations. Some of them are very technical questions, some of them are budgetary, some of them are construction oriented, some of them are legal, and there's a wide assortment of issues to be resolved, and a lot of these can happen in the pre-construction phase before a contractor is hired.